नमस्कार दोस्तों, आपके अपने YouTube चैनल नया ज्ञान में आप सबका स्वागत है। मैं अजीत कुमार मकवाना। आज हम फिर एक नए टॉपिक के बारे में सीखेंगे या जानेंगे। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें और शेयर करें। धन्यवाद।
A national level 3-day FDP on research pedagogy and contemporary research. Greetings from Street Martins Engineering College, SMEC, Secunderabad, Telangana, India. We cordially invite you to participate in national level EFDP on research pedagogy and contemporary research on 21st, 22nd, and 23rd of June 2023. The program will be held for 3 days by having 3 sessions per day. In each session, resource persons will share their knowledge and information regarding the various steps used for research notion and perception, research pedagogy, contemporary research, research proposal writing, and impressive presentation for scientific documentation by using LaTeX. All the sessions will be delivered by eminent resource persons from premier institutions. In this concern, we request you to be part of this FDP for enhancing your research profile. Registration link in video description for details. Join in the WhatsApp group fees. 500/. Only password is 500.